Hello teachers, today I would like to show you how you can access ebooks and audiobooks during the summer. I've taught the MYP students how to do this, and I thought you might enjoy it as well. So to easily access our ebooks and audiobooks, we want to use something called Destiny Discover. It looks a little bit different than our regular catalog, so let me show you how to get there. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to go to the catalog. I have sent this email out before, but you might not have the web address. So it's right up here, https://gymsinternational.follettdestiny.com. Please notice that there's 2 L's and 2 T's in Follett. That's a common mistake that people make. Now, when you put in gymsinternational.follettdestiny.com, it will come up to this screen right here where you see 4 schools, and this is where you need to bookmark it. You have to bookmark it when you see the 4 schools. You can bookmark it by going over here to the star and changing it to, say, library catalog, for example. Okay. I also like to put it on my desktop, and to put it on my desktop, I go over here and I grab the lock, and I can just grab it and shove it onto my desktop like that. I know Macs might be a little bit different. Once you are on this page, you will then go to our school, and you will see in the upper right-hand corner, it says Login. You would click on that, and you will put your first initial dot last name, and then your password is your first name. Now, we do have a little difficulty with some teachers might actually have underscore GIS. So if you try this format and it's not working, please email me and let me know, and I will fix that up for you. Now, after we have logged into this point right here, you will see your name in the upper right where it says your name, so you know that for sure that you were logged in. You can click right over here on Catalog. And I think most of you are familiar with this look right here. My info tells you what you have checked out. And as you can see, I don't have any library books checked out right now. So going back to the catalog, I can see that I've got some choices over here, and one of them is Destiny Discover. If I click on Discover, it now takes me into, it's still the catalog, it's just a visual view of it. Okay, and then you can see right on the top here that you can search by topics. Lightbox are our interactive books. They're really awesome. They have videos and other types of links and vocabulary. As I scroll down again, we can see ebooks. It says we have a 901, so we could always click on that and we can see all of them. We can see audiobooks. Wow, they're being really used right now. That's fantastic. We've got 463. And then as we scroll down, we can see some of the really popular books or books that have just been added into the collection. So right over here, let's say that I decide to go for, let me take a look at all of the ebooks. So when I click on that, it has this book right here, High Interest, Low Readability. It's a book about mysteries, and it's in. Right over here, I can see that I can filter it. I can filter by Lexile or interest level. Okay, interest level tends to be grade level. Okay, so you can see I can narrow it down by 3rd to 6th grade or any adult books or young adult books. I'm just going to click on young adult. We'll see what's out there. Okay, and right over here we can see that this one, for example, has unlimited copies. So we can have as many students check out this book, The Power of Ruby, as they want. But the last execution, there's only one book. So it's young adult. It is a 620 for a Lexile reading. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Okay, as the book is opening up, I just want to let you know that ebooks are the same price as regular physical books, so you might want to check it out. If you want to make sure that nobody else can access this book while you're reading it, you will need to check it out. And to do that, you would go over to Book and check out Title. And we can see that that book is due on July 11th. Here we go. We've got the cover of the book. I'm just going to go right over here, and I'll go to the next page. Okay, and we can see that we've got the book right here. Okay. Now, if you wanted to, you could go right over here and you can decrease or you can increase. You can change the screen color. Some people prefer to have a calmer color than a bright white. Okay, so going back, we can also see that there is text to speech. It does sound very robotic though, so be prepared for that. There's a table of contents. You can download the app, which we are going to talk about in just a moment. But right here, you can see that you can now read the book. It is checked out to you. Okay, now one of the other things that I want to show you is, I want to go back to Discover and show you an audiobook. I will take a look at 463. Let's see, Chasing Vermeer. This is a popular book, so I'm going to say play. And once again, you can download, you can check out the audiobook. Now, I'm not sure that you can hear the text right now on Screencast-O-Matic, which I'm using. I think that's an upgrade, but she is speaking to me. Right here, I'm just going to go to the next chapter. You can see that chapter 1 is 5 minutes long. And she's reading right now, and I really apologize that if you cannot hear her, but that is an upgrade to Screencast-O-Matic. So right over here, you can also adjust the volume. You can set a timer if you want to listen to it for 15 minutes or 30 minutes. And once again, you can check out this audiobook. Okay? And it's now due on the 11th. So I'm just going to close that out. And right over here, you can see where these 3 little lines are. When I do that, I'm going to now click on Checkouts, and I'm going to be able to see what I have checked out. Chasing Vermeer, the ebook, and the last let me redo that. Chasing Vermeer is the audiobook, and the last execution is the ebook, and they are both checked out to me. So if I wanted to return them, I would just easily click return. If I want to open up the ebook again, I just log in and click open, and we are right here. Now this is on the computer. If you did want to download Discover onto your phone, you would just go in to however you download your apps, and you would type in Destiny Discover app, and this is what it looks like right here. Now, unfortunately, I'm not able to show you what the phone looks like, but once it downloads, it will ask you what country, and you will say other country. So let me just quickly write in here. You will type in, or it will give you the option of other country, and then it will ask you what school. And as you start typing in GIMS International, Alcale, it will pop up. Okay, and then it asks you for your login. And as you know, your login will be the first letter of your name, dot, last letter of your name, and then your password will be your first name. So please feel free to download it, Discover on your phone, and make sure it's on your laptop as well. And if you could do me a favor, if you could check now in the next 2 or 3 days whether your login works, that would be great. If it doesn't work, I can just send me an email and I will fix it for you. I will also check my email during the summer every once in a while, so you can email me on my regular email during the summer, but it might take me a day or 2 to get back with you. I hope that you enjoy ebooks and audiobooks. Thank you very much.